Lingportal Online School presents
Emphatic Do, saying things with feeling. Today we'll look at a very small but very powerful word, do. You already know do as a helper for questions and negatives, right? Do you like tea? I don't like coffee. But today we'll use do in a new and exciting way to show emotion, surprise, or strong feeling. We call this the emphatic do. It helps your English sound natural, expressive, and real. What is the emphatic do? Let's start with a simple idea. Usually we use do, does, did to make questions or negatives. But we can also use them in positive sentences to add emphasis or show strong feeling. We use the structure do, does, did plus base verb for emphasis in positive sentences. Using do is like saying, I really mean it, I'm not joking, I'm sure. Here are examples. I do like chocolate. In other words, yes, I really like it. She does work hard. Believe me, she really works hard. I did see him yesterday. I'm sure, I saw him. You can hear the feeling in the voice. That's why we call it emphatic. When do we use emphatic do? Now that you know what it is, let's see when and why we use it. We use emphatic do when we want to make our sentence stronger, more emotional, or more polite. It doesn't change the meaning, it just adds feeling or emphasis. Let's look at some common situations. We use emphatic do to show strong feeling or emotion. I do love this song. She does look beautiful tonight. To correct or disagree politely. A. You never call me. B. I do call you almost every day. To make a contrast or surprise. I didn't think he liked football, but he does. You said you didn't want dessert, but you do. To sound polite but firm. I do hope you enjoy the lesson. We do appreciate your help. Repeat after me. I do like this idea. How to form the emphatic do. It's simple. Just like normal do, does, did questions or negatives, but without not and without question order. Here is the structure. Subject plus do, does, did plus base verb plus rest of sentence. Base verb means the verb without s, ed, or to. Examples. I do like it. She does study a lot. We did see him yesterday. Please note, use do with I, you, we, they. Use does with he, she, it. Use did for the past. That's all. Easy and logical. Mini practice to feel the emphasis. Now, let's imagine a few real situations and feel how do changes the tone. You're watching a film with your friend. They say it's boring, but you really enjoy it. What will you say? I do like this film. You're sending a casual short message to a friend. Which one sounds more natural? We hope you enjoy it. You're talking about a colleague who is always busy and focused. How to show your admiration. He does work hard. You're talking about your plans for tomorrow. Just discuss variants. I like the idea. Let's go tomorrow. Someone doesn't believe you saw Emma at the party. You're certain you did. Show your certainty. I did see her at the party. Summary. Let's review what we learned. Emphatic do equals do, does, did in positive sentences. We use it to show emotion, surprise, correction, or politeness. Structure. Subject plus do, does, did plus base verb. Examples. I do like coffee. She does play the piano. I did tell you the truth. It's short, simple, but adds a lot of feeling to your English. A common mistake. Don't say I do can or I do will. We only use do, does, did with the base verb, not with another auxiliary. So next time you want to sound sure, polite, or passionate, try using the emphatic do. It shows confidence and emotion, and helps your speech sound natural and alive. Repeat once more. I do like English grammar, when it's clear and simple. Stay with us. Here English grows gently, beautifully, and with meaning.